Hey guys, this is Steve with My Honey is Handmade. Today in the shop, we're going to review this ProStormer Nail Gun. So stick around, I'll put it through its paces and tell you what I think. This comes with everything you need. You've got a battery, 21 volt battery. It's 4.5 amp hour, that's pretty cool. And here is the nail gun. It came with a box of different staples and nails. I've got 1.5-inch nails in it now. So let's see how much this thing weighs. It feels pretty heavy out of the box. Oh wow, this thing is coming in at 9 pounds with the battery. When I compare that to my Ryobi with a battery, this comes in right under 7 pounds. So about a 2-pound difference. That's one of the first things I noticed when I picked it up, how heavy it is. So hey, let's put it through its paces, see what this thing does. Now straight out of the box, this nail gun was not putting nails in the wood. I looked at the manual, there wasn't any troubleshooting steps. So the depth stop was stuck. I had to break it loose with a wrench, with some pliers, and I also oiled the mechanism at the very top. That broke everything loose to where it would shoot nails. I really had to shoot quite a few nails to get the gun not to indent so much onto the wood. So that took me quite a few nails to get that depth stop set correctly. And this could differ with each species of wood. I'm using hardwood here in my examples. So hey, here are my pros and cons. So bottom line, would I recommend this? For a hobbyist, if you're doing this, a little bit on the weekend, sure. If I'm using this all day long, that is just so heavy, that's not going to be very comfortable throughout the day. Just holding this, putting a few nails in, it's really heavy. The one thing I didn't like was it was indenting the wood quite a bit, but I was able to fix most of that by adjusting the depth right here. I oiled this up and I broke this loose with a wrench because it was stuck. Other than that, I like it. On the Ryobi, you don't have to hit the power button every time. So every time you want to use this, you have to hit the power button. And I don't like that the battery doesn't tell you the charging level. On the Ryobi, this is what I like about theirs. You can see where you're at. Let me wipe that dust off. You can see where you're at and see what your charging level is on these batteries. So that's my review, guys. Hope you found it useful. Hope you're having a good one.